different programs, but one of our major visions is to have a Haitian Cultural Center in New York. A place where you can go and see Jen Celestin perform her poetry, where you can come and take classes, where you can have, exhibits, you can see film, a very dynamic space for the community to come together and live Haitian culture. That's something that is, I think, long overdue. I think it's something that is long overdue. You all will agree it's something that's long overdue, right?
Yes.
Right? Okay. And that's what we're working towards. Until we get there, we're going to continue to do these kinds of things that we've been doing for the past year. And having programs in the schools and having programs in other venues. Actually, the board is going on a 3-day retreat starting tomorrow to kind of plan the next year. And we did a survey that you guys were able to input into, right? Fill out the survey, the artists, to give us ideas as to what you'd like to see us do. And it's a continual